Welcome to the Long Run with Joel and Christy. I'm Joel.
And I'm Christy.
And welcome to our 12 days of Christmas treats.
We're going to be sharing a different treat every day for 12 days. And with each of those treats, you'll be able to find them typed or linked down in the description.
All right, let's get to it.
Okay, for this recipe, we took 16 ounces of Oreo cookies and we crushed them. And we're going to add 1/8 ounce of cream cheese. Oops.
That's somewhere good.
Beauty is, I'm going to cut that off. Okay. So we're going to use this mixer to mix it together. You can use that, or you can use a blender. Okay, we got that mixed and we're going to roll those into like walnut size balls. We're looking to get about, I think that says 25 to 35. We're going to roll those out and then we're going to put them in the refrigerator and chill them for an hour. Okay, so we got 30 out of it. And so now we put it in the refrigerator to chill for an hour. Okay, so this next step for this recipe is to melt white chocolate. You're supposed to get like white chocolate almond bark, but when we went to Aldi that day, we couldn't find it, but we could find this melting wafers. So we're just gonna use that. We were supposed to use about 3/4 of a package, so we're gonna use almost all of, one is 10 ounces, so we're using almost 2 of them to get 18 ounces. Okay, so we're just going to put that in the microwave, keep an eye on it, and when we're done with it, we'll show you the next step. So we've got it dipped, and now the next step is to let them sit for 15 minutes so that the white chocolate can harden, and then you go to the next step. So we'll pick up then. So now the Oreo balls are ready for the next step, which is to melt a 1/4 of a package of this chocolate bark. But what I'm going to do is, it says to like microwave it in the microwave, but what I'm going to do instead is I'm going to get some water and put that in the microwave, heat it up, and then I'm going to put this into a Ziploc bag so that I can use the end of it to drizzle the chocolate. So you'll see what I mean. So you just set it inside the water. The water will start melting it. Okay, so now since we melted in the bag, the chocolate's already in there. So we don't have to worry about that, and we just have to cut just a little bit off the tip. Okay, and then we just are going to drizzle it on each wall. And where you had your toothpick, make sure you try to cover that up with your chocolate. And that's pretty much it. So we've got it drizzled and we just wait for that to set and it's ready to go. Okay, as you can see, we have them done and we're gonna fit a bit like that. We'll do one more there. Okay, we fit 5 in there and we made 30. So that makes, if we made 30 and we got 5 in each container, if you use this size container that we got at Dollar Tree, that would mean you get 6 gifts out of it. So right now we're going to put on the screen how much it cost for us to make this and how many gifts we got out of it and how much it costs for each gift.
So thanks for joining us for the 12 days of Christmas treats. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more content from us. Don't forget to comment below and tell us what Christmas treats you're doing, or if you tried one of our recipes, let us know how it went in the comments. So for the Long Run with Joel and Chrissy, I'm Joel.
And I'm Christy.
And don't forget it's a long run. Give yourself a little grace.
Bye.